is just a quick review on a bath detox, a DIY detox. It's going to take all the toxins out of your body. I'm going to show you how I apply this to my warm bath. I'm going to soak for around 20 to 25 minutes. And whilst you're soaking, you're going to have to be drinking vitamin water at the same time, because this is going to be the full kit for a proper detox. And if you want to know where I got this water from, comment below and stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is all everything that you need for the detox bath. I've got a Dettol spray here to just disinfect the bathroom once again, because I'm always disinfecting. And all the stuff that you saw previously, that's what I'm going to be using to make the detox bath. And it is also quarantine, so if you want something relaxing to do, stay tuned and just make sure you take care of your body and health and stay safe. You can see the ginger and apple cider are in. Now I'm just going to throw in the Epsom salt. Then I'm going to throw in the baking soda, and then I'm just going to throw it all over the bath. And you're just going to sit and soak and let it do its wonders. You're going to soak for about 20 to 30 minutes, and these are all natural remedies and they all have their own agents. So just sit back and relax and let it do its wonderful works. And just remember to sip some water whilst you're doing your detox.